If Microsoft Edge is downloading your PDF files instead of opening them in the browser, this quick fix will help you change that behavior in just a moment. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to open PDF files in Edge browser instead of downloading them, so you can view documents instantly without saving every file to your computer. This is a super useful setting if you read a lot of PDFs online and want a faster, cleaner workflow. If this video helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you can access all of Edge's settings. From here, click on Settings. This will take you into the full Edge settings page, where you can control everything from appearance to privacy and site permissions. Now, on the left side of the settings page, look for Privacy, Search, and Services. Click that section first. This is where Edge keeps many of its security and browsing-related controls. After that, scroll or look for Site Permissions and click it. Site permissions control how websites interact with your browser, including things like camera access, pop-ups, notifications, and also PDF handling. Inside Site Permissions, click All Permissions. This section shows a list of the different permissions and content controls available in Edge. Now scroll until you find PDF Documents. Click on PDF Documents to open the PDF settings page. This is the exact place where you can decide whether PDFs should open in Edge or be automatically downloaded instead. Once you're on the PDF Documents page, look for the setting called Always Download PDF Files. If this toggle is turned on, Edge will download PDFs instead of opening them in the browser. To fix that, simply turn the toggle off. As soon as you disable it, Edge should stop forcing downloads and start opening PDF files directly in the browser window. After turning it off, you can test it right away. Open any PDF and that link from a website and see what happens. If the setting was the issue, the file should now open in Microsoft Edge instead of downloading to your downloads folder. That means you can scroll, zoom, search, and read the document instantly without extra steps. If it still downloads after changing the setting, make sure you're actually in the correct Edge profile and that no extensions or organization policies are overriding the behavior. In most cases though, this one setting is the key fix. It only takes a few seconds, but it can save you a lot of time if you work with PDFs regularly. So just to recap, go to Edge Settings, open Privacy, Search and Services, then Site Permissions, then All Permissions, then PDF Documents, and turn off Always Download PDF Files. That's all you need to do to open PDF files in Edge instead of downloading them. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.